Yeah, this is Junior Ignazi. Who do you want?
Hi, Tom Saltermeyer, PhD. I'm sorry to bother you again. I just was really trying to get a hold of you about this sawdust bag that my client is extremely interested in it. Need I say more? I hope not. Now, we just need some more information about this sander bag. How much does it contain? How big is it? And, well, that's just about it. What is it? Might be another question. My client has a shop full of sawdust bags. He's got sawdust bags from companies that are now defunct. Where he was hoping that this one is I believe it's a DeWalt. Is that correct? We just have a whole lot of questions we'd like some answers to. We'd appreciate it if you stopped threatening to contact the authorities. We're just, my client is interested in the sawdust bag. Whether or not it's full of sawdust, that's up for interpretation, I suppose, at this point. Although you should hopefully shed some light, like Country Crock's shed spread. But my fan is a client of Sawdust, and he pays top dollar to be immersed in sawdust on a daily basis. Anyway, I hope this isn't too confusing of a message, but the important thing is there is an episode of Quantum Leap on VHS that we do need to contact you about. Give me a call back. It's area code 402. Tom Saltermeyer, PhD.
Shed spread.
The next day.
Incoming call.
Good day. The party of this residence is unavailable to accept your call at present. They request that you leave a detailed correspondence involving the nature of your business. They will consider your request and a response will be afforded at their earliest convenience. Thank you for your kind consideration. Good day.
Hello, this is the lady with the sawdust bag. I just wanted to let you know it's full of sawdust, but if you still want it, you may call me back at your earliest convenience. But please, not at 3 o'clock in the morning. What the hell is your problem, dude? Have a good night.
See, what it is that when that notification goes off, when they leave a message, it beeps, and that's what wakes me up.
Well, you need to shut off your notifications.
I don't know how to do that. I don't know if I...
See, mine's all in a row.
Let me see here.
Where's the other number? I'll call that one, too.
No, well, that was a long time ago.
Oh.
I have to get into settings.
Yeah, that's where you go. Go to settings.
Okay. Sounds and vibrations.
Yep, right there. See? This is different than mine.
Let's see.
Volume. What's that?
Wait. Notification.
Yeah.
See, written.
You have a pattern TikTok. Sound mode. You could put it on mute.
Notification.
Right there. No, you gotta shut it off.
Okay.
It's giving you all kinds of sounds.
do it, huh?
Yeah. And just remember tomorrow, turn it back on.
Okay.
Now your phone don't ring, does it? At night. It don't ring, right?
Yeah.
It rings
Well, when somebody calls me.
at 3 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
You want to shut that off?
No.
Yeah, that notification thing, that thing goes off all the fucking time.
Yeah, that's a pain in the ass.
The time limit on our voicemail was reached here.
The next day.
Random noises continued here, and once again went for the full 3 minutes.
2 days later.
It'd be your better interest to call me back before I take legal action against you. Number 7, and I am very serious about this. I am going to take legal action against you if you do not call me back. I'm giving you till tomorrow morning, and I'm going to the authorities for these late night harassing phone calls you've been giving me. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to the authorities, and I'm filing charges against you.
End of messages.
9 days later.
Yeah, this is Junior Ignazi. What do you want?
Hi, Tom Saltermeyer, PhD. I was just calling on behalf of my client who is very confused at the situation. He is very interested in the Sawdust bag, and he's been receiving some messages about taking action against him, and we're very confused about this, and we really don't want to have to take counteraction against you. My client is really just interested in the Sawdust bag and nothing else. We don't appreciate your threats, and my client is only interested in the aforementioned Sawdust bag. If you'd like to give me a call back, please do so at your leisure, in a very leisurely fashion, preferably. Maybe just take a chill pill or something like that. I don't know. We don't need to get threatening or anything. I'm just trying to facilitate a transaction. I believe it's of a lesser value than anything that might end up in small claims court. I believe it's a $5 to $10 value bag of said dust. My client would respectively like to inquire if there is maple dust in this from that type of wood, because he is highly allergic, and that's one reason that he has hired me to inquisinate on his behalf. And if you've never been inquisinated, I highly suggest you should. Give me a call back at area code 402 Tom Saltermeyer, PhD.
They did not call back.
The end.